Welcome to our presentation on PnaPnaTech Business Software's HR module. To explore the HR dashboard, navigate to the HR option in the navbar, and click on the dashboard selection in the drop-down. Locate HR dashboard and features. To create a new employee, start by going to the HR section and selecting Staff. Click on the new employee. Then in the Profile section, choose a profile image, enter the HR code and full name, and select gender and birth date. Enter birthplace and hometown. Then select marital status, nation, religion, and ID document type. After selecting the ID creation date, enter the place of issue, resident of, current address, and literacy. Next, select status, job position, and workplace. Enter bank account details, including the name of the account and bank of issue, personal tax code, and hourly rate. Provide the phone number, Facebook, LinkedIn, Skype, and email. Choose the default language and direction. Enter the email signature and other information, and set the password. Finally, click on the Save button. Next in the Permissions section, select your role, choose Allow Permission and Not, and then click on the Save button. Moving on to the contract, we can view all contracts on the dashboard. In the Insurance section, and we can view all insurance information on the dashboard. Lastly, the Attachments section is a centralized repository for all project-related documents, ensuring easy access and collaboration. Users can upload, share, and organize files within the project. This feature simplifies document management, encourages version control, and enhances collaboration among team members. Add new insurance. Click on the HR option in the navbar, then choose Insurance from the drop-down menu. Afterward, click on Add, Edit, Modify Insurance. Enter general information in the form. Select the staff member, enter the insurance book number, provincial code or city code, health insurance number, registration of medical care, and finally, click on the Save button. Creating a new contract is straightforward. First, go to the HR section and select Contracts. Click on the new contract. In the Information section, enter the contract code, which, in the context of business or legal agreements, refers to a unique identifier assigned to a specific contract or agreement. This code serves as a reference number to easily identify and differentiate one contract from another within a company's records or systems. Select the contract ID, start date, and staff. Choose the contract status and end date. In the Wages Allowances section, select the since date and salary form, enter the amount of money, and add a note. Then, select the allowances type and the corresponding amount of money. Move on to the Signed Information section and select the signed day and staff delegate. Finally, click on the Save button. Navigate to the HR option in the navigation bar. Once there, access the Shifts section from the drop-down menu. In the Manage Day Off section, click on New Day Off, enter the general information such as the reason for the day off. Select the type of day off, choose the date, and select shifts, departments, and positions. Click on the Save button. Moving on to the Allocate Shift Work section, click on New Shift. Enter the general information like the shift code and shift name, and select the shift type, department, and position. Select the applicable dates for the shift from the Apply from Date to Date. Click on the Save button to save the new shift. Navigate to the HR option in the navigation bar. Once there, access the Salary section from the drop-down menu. Down menu. Moving on to the Payroll Template section, click on Add Payroll Template. Enter the payroll template name. Select the applicable role and position, manager, payroll table, and follower. Then click on the Save button. Navigate to the HR option in the navigation bar. Once there, access the Settings section from the drop-down menu. In the Contract Type section, click on New Contract Type. Input the contract ID and contract type. Choose the duration and unit, and select the insurance. Finally, click on the Save button. Next, in the Allowance Type section, click on New Allowance Type. Enter the allowance name, select the amount, and indicate if it's taxable. Then click on the Save button. Moving on to the Salary Type section, click on New Salary Form. Enter the salary name, select the amount, and indicate if it's taxable. Then, click on the Save button. In the Job Position section, click on New Job Position. Enter the job title, department or team, reporting structure, and a description of the roles and responsibilities associated. Then click on the Save button. Lastly, in the Workplace section, click on New Workplace. Enter the workplace and click on the Save button.